Hi, I'm Alex from Big Cartel Support. Let's talk about maintenance mode. Maintenance mode is a setting that you can turn on or off at any point as needed via your account page. So just head to Account and look along the top right for the maintenance mode toggle. When it's off, it's going to be grayed out and the little circle is going to be pushed to the left. You can click on that to turn it on, and you'll get a little prompt like this, just letting you know that maintenance mode is used to make changes behind the scenes and only showing your customers the maintenance page while those changes are going on. So you can click on Turn on Maintenance Mode, and you'll see that turn yellow and push to the right. After that, you're going to still see your shop in preview as your customers will when you go back out of maintenance mode, but your customers are going to see your maintenance page, which looks like this. Now then, say you're doing a big product launch or you're changing your theme around. Whatever the case may be, whenever you're done with those changes, you can head back into your admin. You can turn maintenance mode back off. So just click on the toggle and you're good to go. If you have any questions about any of this, you can use the little dialog bubble in the bottom right of your admin or send us an email, support@bigcartel.com, and we'll be glad to help out.